Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna watch how to apply for a tourist visa to Suriname. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Suriname is a very popular tourist destination, no doubt. So yeah, so a lot of people apply for its visa. So the way to look at it is like find out the nearest embassy of Suriname. So right now I have opened this in Washington DC, but it may not be applicable for you. Like you could be in India or anywhere. So open that info, open that site and go to the uh, tourist information, and then you will get visa information. So you have visa requirements and visa application form. So before we go to visa requirements, let's visa application form. Let's go to the visa requirements. So you need a valid passport. Okay, passport must be signed and valid for 6 months. Yeah, this is a very common one. Computer visa application, copy of computer generated itinerary or round trip ticket, business letter for business visa, one recent passport photo, proof of residence status. In this varies country by country. United States or Canada, apply to national who currently uh, reside legally in this country. For children, they have other requirements. All right, for children, visa application form, visa processing fee. So you can see that for 5 years, multiple entry $100 and other. This also can vary based on your location, because based on your location, they may ask in a different currency as well. So that also you can. Tourist card. So this is for currency. Okay. Okay, so even India is uh, under this tourist card scheme. Okay, valid passport you need and other things. And the tourist card can also be obtained upon arrival in Suriname for eligible countries. So if you're from the eligible countries, if you hold a passport of eligible countries, you can obtain the tourist card at the arrival as well. Okay, so it's up to you. You want to apply for a tourist visa or tourist card. For tourist card, like 3 months single entry, so there's a like it grants you single entry uh, permit, you can say $35 for 3 months. So it's up to you which one you want to take. Now we'll go for this visa application form. So let's click on this link. So it's a PDF form, you can easily fill up. Date, use capital letters, so you make sure you do that. Name, first name, other name, date of birth, place of birth, gender, nationality, at birth, at present, everything. And there's a section for photo, and it has got a translation in English too, so you don't have any issue. Have you ever applied for a Suriname visa? If applicable, have you ever been there? How long do you plan to stay? So these are the very basic questions, important. So you have all the information here and signature as well, and we have gone through the process as well. So again, as I said, check as per the location, and they have one tourist card facility too, that also you can avail. So if you like it, you can go for it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.